Okay, what do we have today? Amazon Prime Day. Let's have a look. Okay, today we have Philips Shaver Series 3000. Okay, I bought this to replace my old one, which is this one, the same Philips Shaver. This one I bought in Singapore airports about 17 years ago. The reason replacing with this one is because the battery on this one is no longer good. It only can last for 2 or 3 shifts, and yeah, it's time to change. Okay, let's see what's in the box. All right. Okay, so this is the console, the shaver, and what else we have in the box? Manuals, charging cables, and the lid. Anything else? I think that's it. Cool. Okay, the charging cable is interesting. It's sort of different from the one I have before, but the port is pretty much similar, but it comes with a USB cable. So this is different from what I have. Let me grab what I have previously. Okay, this is the one I have previously. It's the same port. I guess this is Philips, so they have the same charging port. But this, again, the new one comes just like a USB cable, so you can use any adapter, power adapter to recharge. And this one is the power adapter itself. Okay, let's see if I can reuse this with this one, but that's not what this video about. Okay, compare the weight. This is lighter than this one, but let me actually measure it. Okay, the new one is 198.5 grams, and the old one is 207.5. So the old one is slightly heavier than the new one. But that's good. And let's check the blade. Okay. Let's see if I can pull this one up. Okay, this is interesting. Don't seem like able to pull this one like the old one, where I can simply pull that. Oops, sorry about that. See, I'm not sure if I can pull this blade, unlike the old one, which is I can, so I can simply detach it. This is how I detach it. The old one, but that's fine. With this one, oh, just do the twist, and that's it. Simple. bit different, but they're both simple. The build is plastic. This one, although it's plastic, but still feels solid. The new one, light, and also plastic, but doesn't feel it's solid, but that's fine. Okay, so let's turn it on. The battery level is depleted, so I guess I have to recharge this. Okay, I don't have a lot of facial hair, but I do have hairs under my chin, and I also can grow mustache, but I don't have a beard, so I don't use this every day, probably like every second day. Okay, it's blinking, so I guess it's charging. Okay, I just charged for 5 minutes, and according to the manual, in 5 minutes charging you can have one good shave. Not too bad, not too bad at all. It's not so noisy. And one thing I realized, when the shaver in a charging mode, I just realized if you charge the console, you can't really switch it on. Yeah, it's actually rejecting. If in the charging position, you can't actually using it. So it's basically a cordless shaver. It's not corded shaver. So if I pull this one off, yeah. So that's the additional information I want to tell you. Okay, so this is my chin that have few hairs, and also I have a few mustache just grows since the last time I shaved, which is about 2 days ago. So let's see how good this shaver. Okay, this shaver looks good. Able to shave the hair around my chin and also my mustache. There is no scratches or burns, which is good. Alright, so if you find this video useful, please always give a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, see you next time. Bye.